Bounce a ball. Listen, sing and act. सुनो, गाओ और अमल करो. Dear students, today we are going to sing a song. Bounce a ball. Let us sing. Bounce a ball to Reena. Bounce a ball to Reena. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Bounce it to Veena. Bounce it to Veena. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Bounce it to Sagar. Bounce it to Sagar. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Bounce it to teacher. Bounce it to teacher. Oh no, I missed it. Oh no, I missed it. Now we are replacing the word bounce into roll. Let us sing with roll. Roll a ball to Reena. Roll a ball to Reena. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Roll it to Veena. Roll it to Veena. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Roll it to Sagar. Roll it to Sagar. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Roll it to teacher. Roll it to teacher. Oh no, I missed it. Oh no, I missed it. Let's sing with hit. Hit a ball to Reena. Hit a ball to Reena. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Hit it to Veena. Hit it to Veena. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Hit it to Sagar. Hit it to Sagar. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Hit it to teacher. Hit it to teacher. Oh no, I missed it. Oh no, I missed it. Let's sing with kick. Kick a ball to Reena. Kick a ball to Reena. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Kick it to Veena. Kick it to Veena. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Kick it to Sagar. Kick it to Sagar. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Kick it to teacher. Kick it to teacher. Oh no, I missed it. Oh no, I missed it. Look and say. Ball, bounce, got it. Teacher, yes. To, no. We will come back soon in next video. Stay with us. See you again. Goodbye.